Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is one I've been excited to make for a while because we're talking about something that most people overlook, but honestly, it's one of the most practical and surprisingly fun categories in the personal transportation world: tricycles. That's right, not just the little red ones we had as kids, but the full-blown, 2025 versions of trikes for adults, kids, seniors, commuters, and even hardcore cycling enthusiasts. Believe it or not, tricycles have come a long way, and in 2025, they're smarter, more comfortable, and more high-tech than ever before. So if you're looking for a stable alternative to a bike, if you want something safer for your kids, or you're just curious about what's changed in this segment, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to go deep into the world of 2025 tricycles. I've tested more than a dozen of the most popular models, from electric trikes to foldable ones to ultralight manual cruisers. I'm going to break down what's worth your money, what you should avoid, and which tricycle might just be the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Let's start with what's different about tricycles in 2025. First of all, technology. Electric assist has taken over the trike market just like it has with bikes. You've got pedal assist, full throttle, regenerative braking, smart displays, app-connected systems, and even anti-theft alarms on some higher-end models. But not everyone needs or wants electric assistance, so we've still got great non-electric options to look at as well. Then there's the matter of build quality. Compared to 5 or even 3 years ago, today's tricycles use better materials: aluminum frames, puncture-resistant tires, waterproof components, and stronger brakes. You're no longer getting a wobbly ride with flimsy handlebars. You're getting something that can genuinely replace short car trips in the city or give you back your freedom if you have mobility concerns. Now, the first trike that really impressed me this year was the Schwinn Meridian Pro. Schwinn has been in the tricycle game forever, and in 2025 they released their most advanced yet practical adult tricycle. It's got a step-through aluminum frame, swept-back handlebars, full-size 26-inch wheels, and one of the comfiest padded seats I've sat on this year. But the real upgrade is the disc braking system, which is a must for hills and safety. It comes in both single-speed and 7-speed variants, depending on how much gear flexibility you want. The 7-speed version really shines on slopes. There's also a rear storage basket that folds flat when not in use, and the paint finish options, deep blue, matte silver, and pearl white, are actually really sleek looking. Then there's the 630 EVR Journey tricycle. If comfort and style matter to you, this is the model to beat. I'll admit, I was skeptical at first because this brand leans hard into aesthetics, but the geometry is incredibly well designed.